Hello my dears, welcome back to Ellie English. I'm Ellie and in this lesson today I'm going to teach you this sound. This is I'll teach you how to make the sound. I'll teach you the different ways that we spell this sound and I'll give you a free worksheet to help you understand this sound a little bit more and give you lots of different ways that you can practice as well. To get this free worksheet, you need to click the link that's below this video and it's all yours. So to make this sound then, we want to be really relaxed. We want to imagine that we're on the beach, that we're doing yoga, whatever it is that makes you feel really chilled out. We're going to take some air from the lungs and we're just going to blow it out. And that's it. That's your sound. The tongue is relaxed at the bottom of the mouth. There's no movement here with the tongue. There's no tension at all in the lips. If I move my tongue further forward, I get ah. And if I move it further back, I get oh. But here, I'm just going to have Let's look at the different ways then that we can spell this sound. The most common way is with the letter U. For example, cup, fun, luck. We often spell it with the letter O. For example, wonder, some, London. We spell it with OU. For example, touch, double, rough. We can spell it double O. For example, flood and blood. And we can spell it OUGH. For example, enough and rough. Don't forget to download my free guide to this vowel. Let me know in the comments if this is a difficult vowel sound for you. I think it probably is. It's quite hard for a lot of people because they don't relax their mouth enough for the sound. But let me know in the comments how you got on and I'll see you in the next video.